Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Instagram account private from business. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Then tap on profile icon and click on three-line option. Scroll down then tap on this option. Okay, scroll down, then tap on add new professional account and click on switch account type, then switch to business account and switch to personal account. That's all. Make Instagram account from business. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.